Did you know it's possible to learn to read and write Korean in just a few hours? That's because Hangeul, the Korean alphabet, was designed to be an easy writing system. In this video, I'll show you how to write all 24 letters the right way. You'll learn all 14 consonants and 10 vowels, using the same exact techniques that we've used to help thousands of beginners. In this video, you'll go from zero to writing your first Korean words. Make sure to stick around until the end for a free worksheet that you can download to practice everything you learn. Let's start with the basic consonants that are easy to write. This letter looks like a gun, and it makes the G sound. This letter points northeast like a compass, making the N sound. This letter looks like a door frame, making the D sound. This letter looks like a ladder, making the L sound. This letter is a perfect square, like a message icon, making the M sound. This letter looks like a bed with posts at either end, making the B sound. This letter curves like a seashell, making the S sound. This letter looks like a jug with a spout, making the J sound. This letter looks like a person wearing a hat, making the H sound. This letter is a circle, like a zero. It acts like a placeholder. When it starts a syllable, it's silent. When it ends a syllable, it makes an NG sound. Let's learn how to make aspirated consonants by adding lines to our basic letters. This letter starts with a gun letter, and then we add a line to make this letter. It looks like a key and makes the K sound. This letter starts with door, and we add a line to get this letter. It resembles a row of teeth and makes the T sound. This letter starts with the bed letter. If you change the line lengths a bit, it looks like the symbol for pi in math and makes the P sound. This letter starts with a jug letter, and then we add an extra line. It looks like a church with a steeple and makes the CH sound. Now we'll learn how to write stronger consonants by using them twice. This is two gun letters next to each other. It makes a stronger G sound. This is two door letters next to each other. It makes a stronger D sound. This is two bed letters next to each other. It makes a stronger B sound. This is two seashell letters next to each other. It makes a stronger S sound. This is two jug letters next to each other. It makes a stronger J sound. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Korean learning videos just like this one. Let's start with the first four basic vowels. Imagine drawing a plus sign. Now, these four directions will give us our basic vowels. A line pointing up. This is O, like in old. A line pointing right. This is A, like in father. A line pointing down. This is U, like in new. A line pointing left. This is A, like in sun. Now, let's take these vowels and change them slightly. We'll add one more line to each of these to make new sounds. This is yo. It's similar to O with two lines instead of one. This is ya. It's similar to ah with an extra line. This is you. It's similar to u, but with two lines. This is ya. It's similar to ah with two lines instead of one. We also have two special vowels. One is a vertical line like a tree. This is the E sound. The other is a horizontal line, like a stream or brook. This is the sound. Now we can combine vowels to make new sounds. First, let's combine our basic vowels with E. A plus E is E. A plus E is E. O plus E is we. U plus E is we. Plus E is I. O plus A is wa. O plus E is we. U plus A is wa. U plus E is we. Ya plus E is ye. Ya plus E is ye. I know these may take some practice to get used to. The team and I created a free PDF Korean writing guide with all these letters and combinations. The link is in the description below. In Korean, we write in syllable blocks. Think of each syllable as fitting into an invisible square. Here are the rules. Every syllable needs to have at least one consonant and one vowel. If there's no starting consonant sound, use the placeholder. The vowel shape determines the arrangement. With vertical vowels, the consonant goes on the left. With horizontal vowels, the consonant goes on top. Let's practice with some common words. Church plus a is cha. Bed plus a plus bed is bop. Northeast plus a is na. Ki plus a plus pi plus e is kapi. Message plus u plus northeast is moon. Church plus e plus gun is check. Now you know how to write all the letters in the Korean alphabet and combine them into words. Remember to practice writing each letter several times to get the hang of them. Which letter is your favorite to write? Let me know in the comments below.